Good morning, class 5th. Before starting the exercise, let me tell you something about these four words. First one is divisor. Second is dividend, and third one is quotient, and fourth last is the remainder. See, divisor is the number by which we have to divide the number. Dividend, the number we have to divide. Quotient, after dividing the number we get, and the remainder is the last one, means either here can be the zeros. The remainder is the number which we getting after dividing the number with the divisor. Divisor is the number by which we divide, like in this exercise 10, 100, 1000. Dividend is the number which we have to divide, मीन्स जिसको हमें डिवाइड करना है, और डिवाइज़र जिससे करना है. क्वोशिएंट जो हमें डिवाइड करने पे नंबर मिलता है, एंड द रिमाइंडर जो हमारा लास्ट में रहता है लेफ्ट, दैट कैन बी आइदर 0, 1, 2 और एनी नंबर. राइट नाउ एक्सरसाइज इज लाइक दिस. हेयर यू हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर्स विद 10, 100 and 1000. सी बेटा, in previous classes also from class 3rd you are learning how to divide the numbers by this form. It is very easy to divide a number by this, but when you dividing a number with 10, 100 and 1000, today I will tell how to easily, and even a single minute you will take to divide the number with the 10, 100 and 1000. Like first question is this: you will divide the number 23,140 with 10, right? So what is, first this side only one zero, and this side also how many zeros? Only one. So we will cut both the zeros from both the sides, and the answer is 2314. When you divide the number, see, 1 0 this side, 1 0 this side, 0 0 cut. So how you will write? The answer is this: cancel 0 from both sides such that 0 cut this side and this side also, and the answer is the remaining number. What we call this number? Dividend, and this number is divisor. Right? You don't have to write this, I'm just telling you. Next question is 2,32,730 divided by 10. Same. See, 1 0 this side, 1 0 this side. Your work is just check the zeros. Just check the zeros from both the side. See, both the sides zeros are equal or not. This side also 1, this side also 1. So 0 cut by 0, and the remaining digits are your answer. So cancel 0 from, this is the reason, means you have to write how the answer came. Cancel 0 from both the sides such that you have to show also that zeros are cutted, and the remaining is the answer. Same in third part also. See, this is the number, this side also 1 0, and here also 1 0. See, both side 1 1 0 can cut. You will write same as it is like this. Now in D part, number divide is 2,77,900 divided by 100. See, now in this question, the dividend also having two zeros, and the so both the zeros cut, and your answer is 2,779, like the rest number, because these two zeros are cut by 100, and the last number is this. Now next E part is this: 47,23,400 divided by 100. Again two zeros, this side also, this side also, both the zeros cut, and your answer is the number 47,234. Right? Now next F part is 43,52,000 divided by 100. Now see, this side how many zeros? 2, and this side 3, but we can only cut two zeros because this side is 2. So we will cut only 2 zeros and the rest 0. The rest 1 0 will be the quotient. Means your answer 43,520. आपको सिर्फ ज़ीरोस चेक करनी है बेटा, दोनों साइड सेम ज़ीरो हैं या नहीं. मेनली आपको जो ज़ीरो चेक करनी है वो डिवाइज़र की करनी है. अगर डिवाइज़र में यहाँ पे 1 0 है तो आप सिर्फ 1 0 ही कट करोगे. यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 zeros हैं तो 2 0 ही कट करोगे. क्लियर? लाइक इन दिस क्वेश्चन 56,53,000 डिवाइड बाय 1000. अगेन बोथ द साइड 3 zeros are there, so you will cut 3 zeros. H part also same like this, I part also. Now second question is divide and find the quotient and remainder. In this you have to write the quotient and remainder. Quotient is when we divide the dividend with the divisor, the number we get, that is quotient. जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं नंबर को तो ऊपर हमें एक क्वोशेंट मिलता है जो आपको डिवाइड करने से मिलता है. लाइक दिस इज़ योर क्वोशेंट, राइट. ये आपका क्या है? क्वोशेंट. ये रिमाइंडर, ये डिवाइज़र एंड दिस वन इज डिविडेंड. क्लियर? नाउ so this type of questions how you will do, here zeros are not there, so how you will do, you will check आपको जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है, द नंबर हैविंग हाउ मैनी ज़ीरोज़. इन दिस हाउ मैनी ज़ीरोज़? 1. दिस साइड ज़ीरो इज़ नॉट देयर, सो यू विल टेक 1 डिजिट बिकॉज कितनी ज़ीरो है यहाँ पे? 1. तो आप कितनी डिजिट लोगे? 1. एंड दैट 1 डिजिट बी द रिमाइंडर, not quotient, that is remainder, and the rest number will be quotient. Same in this, here question is 79,31,042 divide by 100. This is C part. B part same as it is, divide by 10. This side no zero, so here you will take only one number and your 8 is remainder and the rest number is quotient. क्लियर? आपको जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है आपको वहाँ पे चेक करनी है कितनी ज़ीरोज़ हैं. 1 2 सेम आप उतनी ही डिजिट उस नंबर से लोगे और रिमाइंडर में क्रिएट करोगे. लाइक दिस देर आर 2 zeros, राइट. दिस साइड you have to divide this number with 100. So how many zeros are there? 2. तो आप कितनी डिजिट लोगे? 2. These 2, 42 is the remainder. Just remember one thing कि आप जो डिजिट्स लोगे रिमाइंडर के लिए वो लास्ट में से लोगे, स्टार्टिंग से नहीं. क्लियर? Now this side also 100. So how many digits come? 2. Now in this, look, here the number is given to you, this you have to divide the number with 1000. This side how many zeros? Firstly what you will do, you will just check how many zeros are there. 1 2 3. So how many digit we require? 3. First, second, third. Now here out of 3, 3 में से जो है आपकी 3 में से 2 तो क्या है? ज़ीरोज़. 2 क्या है? ज़ीरोज़. तो हम उन ज़ीरोज़ को कट करेंगे. 0 कट बाय 0. नाउ द रेस्ट इज़ 5. सो वी विल राइट आवर रिमाइंडर इज़ 5. क्लियर? एंड द रेस्ट नंबर इज़ क्वोशेंट. अगेन सेम हेयर वी हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर विथ 1000. 3 zeros, you will take 3 digits together. 710. Now 1 0 cut by 1 0. Now how many 0 left? 2. So how many digits will be in remainder? 2. 71. Or rest number will be in quotient. Clear? Now exercise 2.6 is also